You are almost done with our workshop, but this question is the most important. Please take time to reflect on and actually write out your strategy and plan to raise your GPA. I like to work on the idea of bright spots, which are things that helped me be successful in the past that I know I should keep doing or I should do again. And growth areas, which are the things that didn't work so well for me and that I know I should adjust, change, or try something new. Even the very best things are gonna have some growth areas that we can tweak to make it even better, and even semesters where it feels like everything went wrong are gonna have a few bright spots that you can do again in the future semester. So now, take 5 minutes to write down as many bright spots and growth areas as you can think of from the past semester or two, as well as just in your life. Then respond in the text box with your action plan to raise your GPA and reach your goals this semester. We will share your action plan with your probation support and advisor just to help discuss your academic standing. Also, keep in mind, if you do need to submit an appeal, this is exactly the type of information and questions that the Academic Review Committee will be looking for. They want to see some specifics, the resources, and those concrete steps. They want to know that you recognize your bright spots and your growth areas, and that you have a plan in place for the next semester. This is worth really thinking through and answering honestly, and then follow through on that plan. Probation is temporary, and I believe in you. Every semester, we have about 40% of students get their GPA back up to a 2.0, so I know it's possible and it can and will be done. Focus on your action item, follow through on your plan, and use the resources. You got this.